Don't ignore this warning sign from your body. Did you know that 1 in 3 people over the age of 65 have high blood sugar? High blood sugar can cause some serious damage to your body, especially as we get older. It's something very simple that you probably never thought of, but it can quickly lower your blood sugar level by up to 20% in just 7 days. This is a secret that has been passed down through generations of Chinese medicine practitioners. You already know that. I don't need to tell you that. The GI is a scale that measures how quickly a food containing carbohydrates raises blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming vinegar with a high carbohydrate meal can reduce the glycemic response and insulin demand by up to 30%. That's a huge improvement. Here's how it works. Replacing traditional cooking oils with healthier alternatives such as coconut oil or olive oil can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels. Adding leafy greens to your rice dishes can be a delicious and nutritious way to improve blood sugar control. But that doesn't mean we have to suffer from high blood sugar or the diseases it can cause. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Do you not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and stay tuned for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. By incorporating these 5 rice hacks into your daily routine, you can effectively lower your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember to rinse your rice before cooking. Add vinegar to your rice. Mix in some nuts and seeds. Cook with coconut oil or olive oil, and top your rice with leafy greens. By following these simple tips, you can keep your blood sugar in check and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. So why wait? Start incorporating these rice hacks into your diet today and enjoy the numerous health benefits they provide. Your body will thank you for it. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and lower blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that consuming a salad of leafy greens before a high carbohydrate meal can significantly reduce the glycemic response and insulin demand. To incorporate this hack into your meals, top your cooked rice with a generous helping of leafy greens. You can use fresh or frozen greens and add them to your rice as is, or lightly steam them for a few minutes. This simple addition can provide numerous health benefits, including improved blood sugar control, better digestion, and a boost to your immune system. So next time you're preparing a meal of rice, do not forget to add a handful of leafy greens and enjoy the delicious and nutritious benefits they provide. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that cooking rice in coconut oil or olive oil can reduce the glycemic index of the rice and lower post-meal blood sugar levels. Coconut oil and olive oil are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, these oils can provide other health benefits such as reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. To incorporate these hacks into your cooking, simply replace your usual cooking oil with coconut or olive oil. When preparing your rice dishes, you can use these oils for stir-frying, steaming, or baking rice. Just be mindful of the amount of oil you use, as too much oil can lead to weight gain and other health issues. By making this simple switch, you can enjoy your favorite rice dishes while reaping the numerous health benefits of coconut oil or olive oil. The acetic acid in vinegar slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This means that your body will absorb glucose more slowly, giving your pancreas a break and allowing insulin to work more efficiently. To incorporate this hack into your daily routine, simply add a splash of vinegar to your cooked rice. You can use any type of vinegar, such as apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, or rice vinegar. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. By rinsing off the excess starch, you can slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, leading to a gradual and controlled release of insulin. This allows for better blood sugar regulation and reduces the risk of developing insulin resistance, which is a common issue among seniors. Additionally, rinsing rice can also remove any impurities or toxins present in the rice grains, further contributing to improved health benefits. So if you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels and maintain overall good health, don't forget to rinse your rice before cooking. But here's the thing. Every day, millions of people around the world eat tons of carb-rich foods like bread, pasta, and rice. Because come on, who wants to live on broccoli and chicken breast all the time, right? Well, here's the problem. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet can be a simple yet highly effective way to manage blood sugar levels. Nuts and seeds contain healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which can help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming a small handful of almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds with a meal can significantly reduce the glycemic response and insulin demand. Not only do nuts and seeds help regulate blood sugar levels, but they also provide essential nutrients that are often lacking in a typical senior diet. For example, they are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, which can support heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. To reap the benefits of nuts and seeds, mix a small amount into your cooked rice. You can use any type of nut or seed, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds. Just be mindful of your portion sizes, as nuts and seeds are calorie-dense and can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. With a little planning and moderation, you can easily incorporate nuts and seeds into your diet and enjoy their numerous health benefits. When you eat carbs and sugar, your body breaks them down into glucose, which raises your blood sugar levels, and that's not good, especially if you're a senior. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at regulating blood sugar, which means we're more likely to develop type 2 diabetes and other chronic conditions. But don't worry, because today I am going to show you 5 simple rice hacks that can help you lower your blood sugar levels fast, no matter how many carbs you eat. These hacks are easy to follow and require no special equipment or ingredients. They are perfect for anyone looking to improve their health and well-being without making drastic changes to their lifestyle. So if you're ready to take control of your health and start feeling better fast, stick around and let's dive into the 5 rice hacks that will change your life forever. And it is so simple and easy to do that, you will wonder why your doctor didn't tell you about it before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to lower your blood sugar level and keep it there permanently. So make sure to watch until the end. And it can also be really hard to control. But don't worry, I've got you covered in today's video. I'll be sharing 5 simple rice hacks that any senior can use to lower their blood sugar fast. So if you or someone you know is struggling with high blood sugar, stick around and let's get started. I'm going to teach you a secret that doctors do not want you to know. Let me introduce myself. I'm a professional, and today I'm going to share with you some amazing ways to improve your health and well-being. We all know that eating too much sugar is bad for our health. It can cause weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. But sometimes it can be hard to avoid sugar, especially when you're busy or on a tight budget. That's why it's important to find healthy ways to lower blood sugar levels naturally, without medication or expensive supplements. Fortunately, there are some simple and effective methods that anyone can try, such as drinking more water, getting regular exercise, and managing stress levels. By following these tips, you can keep your blood sugar levels under control and reduce your risk of developing serious health complications. When it comes to fighting the big bad, there are 2 things that everyone knows. Carbs and sugar are the enemy. Hack no. 1. Rinse your rice before cooking. Rinsing rice before cooking can remove excess starch and reduce the glycemic index (GI) of the rice. Hack no. 2. Add vinegar to your rice. Adding vinegar to your rice can be a game changer. When it comes to blood sugar control, hack number 3. Mix in some nuts and seeds. Hack no. 4. Cook with coconut oil or olive oil. Now it's time for the most important hack. Hack no. 5. Top your rice with leafy greens. As we age, it's natural to experience changes in our bodies, including fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Now it's time to hear from you. What are some of your own tips and tricks for managing blood sugar levels and improving gut health?